This is my favorite Norwegian guy from last year. I forgot your name.
Borgar.
Borgar.
Yeah.
So what happened now? You're remaking your front end? You had some...
The fork is falling apart.
Okay, but you noticed it yesterday, but you're not doing anything until now. You're living a dangerous life, I would say. And you found this beautiful garage here by a lake in Sweden. And this is the support crew. That's the boss. He gives the technical advice, and he have the technical brochure in his hand. He could see everything there. So tomorrow this will be one piece. You promise?
Tonight.
Tonight.
Yeah. 1 hour.
1 hour fix.
Give or take.
Yeah.
Give or take. Yeah.
So repeat. What year was this panel? Is this panel?
48.
Oh, it's the first year. Is it with transmission? Everything is one piece from the old piece, or have you?
Yeah, transmission and crankcase.
Yeah.
The front head is 56 and the rear is 50.
Okay.
So, but the frame crankcase is 48.
So the Norwegian government, what do they say? It's a 48 then, or?
They are very happy with me, and they would love to shoot.
You only use the bike in Sweden, maybe.
Yeah, no. Yeah,
Yeah. All right. You're my favorite this year too.
Thank you.
Work on, and please give him a little bit help.